Babies. You know when babies cry, wah, wah, you give them feeder. Wah, wah, you give them lolly. Wah, wah, you give them something. After they now turn 6, 7, 8, if they do wah, wah, you be like, what's your problem? Next they are now like Tammy, you're like this, 13, 14. He now say wah. What kind of wah? What kind of like it will even be strange to when there is a level of maturity. God no longer answers to your when you want to be bullying God with your crying. Is it only you that will cry? Finish crying. When you finish crying, you clean your face and you come and do my will. Otherwise, because if God continues to answer to your when you will not mature. When you are young in Christ, God has a way of just always answering things according to your will. The more mature you get in Christ, and that's why the prayer of a mature Christian is, Lord, let your will be